Step One Records, an independent label, and Jack Green was on that label, and he put me on the first time. And I thought I was really doing good because I got 3 encores, but I didn't know that Jack was standing back there doing this, you know. That's how they do it out there.
Satisfy me, and I'll satisfy you. I will do anything.
I'm still trying to figure out what my purpose is on this earth. I'm sure music is part of it. It's got to be, because it's all I really want to do, all I know how to do.
They say you can't take it with you, but they're so wrong. She took everything that she loved, now she's so
They say you can't take it with you, but she did. The chorus is, she loved my heart, she cherished my soul. No, she cherished my heart, she loved my soul. Now they're all 3 together in a box in a hole. You know, that's strong. And the power of words, you know, and music. I just hope that one don't come true.
That gal with the red dress on, some folks call her Dinah. Stole my heart away from me way down in Louisiana. Take me back to Tulsa, I'm too young to bear. Take me back to Tulsa, I'm too young.
I didn't realize the music is more important than I thought. You know, it can change a whole lot of things. I don't know of anything that can change your frame of mind quicker than a verse of a song or a few notes. I think it can heal people. It's healed me many times.
And I'm gonna thank that old country fiddler and all those rough.
It was the first time I got to play with an orchestra. A big string section behind me, and I'm just a hillbilly fiddler. I don't know all that. Boy, man, when you're standing there and they put me out in front of them, which is like, what's wrong with this picture? But, man, there's like a big warm blanket. All these strings coming around you. I ain't never felt nothing like that. In the Ryman Auditorium as well, too.
Comes a